Hello students, in this video we are going to solve this problem from quadratic equations. Most students will find it very difficult, but just hang around. Two water taps together can fill a tank in 9 3/8 hours. So two taps are there and they are filling a water tank in 9 3/8 hours. This is a mixed fraction given. 8 9s are 72, 72 and 3 is 75. So this is 75 by 8 given. Okay. Tap of larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one to fill the tank separately. Alright. So there are two taps, one with small diameter, it is filling the tank. One with big diameter, this is also filling the tank. Okay. Now this bigger tap is taking 10 hours less than the smaller tap to fill the tank separately. Okay, suppose if this is taking, let us say, 30 hours to fill the tank, this will take 10 hours less, that means it will take 20 hours, right, to fill the tank. We don't know how much time this small tap is taking, so let the time taken to fill the tank, okay, by this small tap be x hours. So this one will be x minus 10 hours, right? Tap of larger diameter takes 10 hours less than smaller one. Okay, so this is x hours, this is x minus 10 hours. Find the time which each tap can separately fill the tank. Okay, find time in which each taps, this is 75 by 8. So they together are working for 75 by 8 hours. Okay, now let us forget this problem for a while. Let us say you are given some assignment by your teacher, you are given some assignment and it will take 4 hours to complete. Okay, and in the first hour, how much assignment can you complete? You can do 1/4 of that work, right? In the second hour, 1/4, in the third hour, 1/4, in the fourth hour, 1/4. So if you add this up, this will give us 4 by 4, it will be equal to 1, right? So when the task is completed, it is equal to 1, right? This is one thing you need to know. And see, in the first hour, in 1 hour you will complete 1 by 4. In 2 hours you will complete 2 by 4th of the work. I am not telling the second hour. First hour plus second hour, how much together? You will complete half of the work, right? And in 3 hours you will do 3 by 4 of the work, and in 4 hours 4 by 4 you will complete the work, which will be equal to 1, right? So we'll divide by the hours, right? Alright, so here this tap will take x hours to fill the tank. So small tap in 1 hour can fill how much? 1 by hours, 1 by x tank, right? And larger tap in 1 hour can fill how much? 1 by x minus 10 of the tank, right? Now see, this smaller tap in 1 hour can fill this much tank, 1 by x tank. Larger tap in 1 hour can fill 1 by x minus 10th of the tank. Now this smaller tap and larger tap together are working for how many hours? 75 by 8 hours. So smaller tap in 1 hour, smaller tap in 75 by 8 hours can fill how much? 75 by 8 multiplied by 1 by x, this much of the tank. Okay, whereas larger tap in 75 by 8 hours can fill 75 by 8 multiplied by 1 by x minus 10th of the tank. This together if we add, it will be equal to 1. Okay, so this is 75 by 8 multiplied by 1 by x plus 75 by 8 multiplied by 1 by x minus 10 is equal to 1. This is the equation. Can we take 75 by 8 common? I'm writing here, take 75 by 8 common, it will be 1 by x plus 1 by x minus 10 is equal to 1. Send 75 by 8 on the other side. See, 8 is in the denominator, so when it goes on the other side, it will come to the numerator, right? And 75 is in the numerator, when it goes on the other side, it comes to the denominator. We have like this, okay? So now denominators are different, so what should we do? We should multiply the denominators. So I'm multiplying it, x into x minus 10, and cross multiply this number. So x minus 1, x minus 10 and 1 into x is equal to 8 by 75. So x plus x is how much? 2x, 2x minus 10, and can we multiply? Yes, x into x is x square minus x into 10 is 10x is equal to 8 by 75. So let us cross multiply here only. 75 goes on the other side, so this will become multiplication, and this x square minus 10x goes on the other side, this side, right? So this is 8 multiplied by x square minus 10x. Okay, so let us multiply. 75 into 2 is how much? 150. 150x minus 750, 75 into 10 is equal to 8x square minus 80x. All right, let me rub the board. I hope you understood this. If you did not understand this, please watch it again. This is not a difficult problem at all. All right, let us send these two terms on RHS. So we'll have 0 is equal to 8x square minus 80x was already there, right? So this will be minus 150 minus 750, sorry, plus 750. Okay, okay, now 0 is equal to 8x square minus 230x, 150 and 80, 230 plus 750. Okay, can we divide this equation by 2 on both sides? Yes. To make things easier, let us divide both sides by 2. So this will be 0, this will be 4x square minus 115x plus 325, sorry, 375. Okay, half of 750 is 375. Yes. All right. Now see, we have an equation now, quadratic equation, right? Let us split the middle term. Let us use factorization method. This is 4x square. I am going to rub this part now. Okay, now 4 multiplied by 375. 4 multiplied by 375. 4 5s are 20, 28, 30, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, factors of 1500, and the middle term should be 115. Okay, easy, right? See, we can guess the numbers. See, 100 and 15. 115. 115. If we multiply, we'll get 1500. Can we use 115 to write 115 minus 115? Yes, minus 100 minus 15, right? So this is 4x square minus 100x minus 15x plus 375 is equal to 0. What can we take common from the first two terms? We can take 4x common, so it will be x minus 25 left. Okay, and here also x minus 25 is equal to 0, outside the brackets minus 15. Okay, so this will give us 4x minus 15 multiplied by x minus 25 is equal to 0. All right, we got our answer. Let me rub this. I have a small board and this problem is very big, right? So 4x minus 15 is equal to 0 is one equation, x minus 25 is equal to 1 is one equation, x is equal to 25, and 4x is equal to 15, x is equal to 15 by 4. Now which one of these answers is correct? See what was given. Smaller tap is taking x. Okay, smaller tap, we took x hours for smaller tap, right? Larger tap will take x minus 10 hours because 10 hours less, right? Okay, suppose if we consider x as 15 by 4, okay, this much time is taken by the smaller tap. What about the bigger tap? 15 by 4 minus 10. So if you multiply this, or if you simplify this, this is 4 into 1 is 4, so this 15 minus 40 minus 25 by 4 will come, and this is hours, right? Time taken. So how can time taken be negative? Will larger tap take minus 25 by 4 hours to fill? Not possible, right? Makes no sense. So x value is not 15 by 4. Don't consider x is equal to 15 by 4. Okay, this is wrong. Consider x is equal to 25. So small tap will take 25 hours to fill the tank separately, and big tap or large tap will take 25 minus 10, 15 hours to fill the same tank, right? Quite a lengthy problem, right? So I hope you understood this problem. This problem is not difficult at all. It is of course lengthy. I hope you understood this. See you in the next video.